I am the man. Why am I the man? Because I won at bingo tonight. That's why I'm the man. Anyways, I had a really good day today. Make sure you read the blog posting on going to the American History Museum. For me, that was really just a wonderful, eye-opening experience on how I should live my life a little bit differently. But why am I sitting here in the shower? Well, mainly just to give you a little bit of a different backdrop to these videos, but also to just sort of introduce the concept of universal design, because this shower has something that is really nice, but I don't have it in my own home, and that's a bench. And sometimes people think that, you know, a shower with a bench is for somebody who has mobility issues, but you know, after a hard day of being a new retirement community resident, it would be pretty darn nice to come in to the shower and sit back and do one of these things. And so this is something, these types of design issues are something that all of us should have in our homes, no matter what age we are, for convenience, but also if you have mobility issues. Anyways, hope you enjoy my postings, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye.